welcome back to my YouTube channel, Zoe Home Inspired Living. If you're new here, my name is Rina. So, I just came from our office today and it's our first day of work for January 2026 and I was really so excited to go back to work today. But before I go to the kitchen to cook dinner for the family, I wanted to show you the Christmas gifts that I received as well as my shopping haul. If you have watched my recent video, which is the BGC staycation, I mentioned there that I was going to show you my shopping haul. So I did some shopping with the kids and now I'm going to show you the items that I got. First, the gifts that I received. So I already received gifts from my husband and my daughter Hannah, who is already working. So this one here is Bottega Veneta Mini Jody. Now, my husband doesn't know how to choose for my gifts for any occasion, whether my birthday, our wedding anniversary, or for Christmas. So this Christmas, he told me, you choose the gifts you want. So I did. And of course, I went back to my suppliers for authentic bags. And I got this. This is the first. And I really want just small bags, especially when I'm going out, because I cannot carry huge or heavy bags. So this is Bottega Veneta, the Mini Jody bag. And this is not brand new. These are pre-loved from Japan. So there's this. And then next is this one. So this is from my supplier of authentic bags, used or pre-loved authentic bags, and it's Etro Milano. Their famous paisley bag, paisley designed bag, and both bags are just lightly used or light new condition. So I love this. You have seen me, if you have watched my last video, you have seen me use this in two of my outings, like during the New Year's Eve dinner in Grand Hyatt. I used this bag. So yeah, I like them both. Now, when Hannah learned that I have this Etro Milano paisley bag, she also ordered her gift for me, which is a belated Christmas gift. I received it after Christmas. This Etro Milano shawl or scarf. And this is also pre-loved. This one here. So it matches perfectly my bag. So this is the Etro Milano scarf from my daughter Hannah. Okay, that's it. And then I'm going to show you my shopping haul during our 4-day staycation in Bonifacio Global City, or BGC, which I showed in my previous video. And so we went to L'Occitane and we stayed there for a while, interviewing the sales girl there. And in the end, I had to buy something and I got this. So I got this Reparation Intense or Intensive Repair Shampoo. Intensive Repair Shampoo from L'Occitane. And I'm going to include here the Body Shop. We went to SM Aura the 3rd day and I got this body wash from the Body Shop. And then my haul from Marks and Spencer. I am super happy with my purchase from Marks and Spencer because this is a dress which cost only 800 pesos. It's at 80% discount and I love it. It's in super dark brown dress. Super dark brown dress. Wow. And I love the fabric. It's not cheap. So there. This is my dress that I got at 80% discount at Marks and Spencer. And also in the same Marks and Spencer branch, I got this hand cream in lavender, or yeah, this is hand cream with lavender, and this is buy one take one. Now my son Tim always uses a hand cream because he tends to have eczema, yeah, and severe dryness of his hands and fingers. So we always buy him hand cream, and it's buy one take one. He already took the other one. And then we went to SM Aura and we stumbled upon another branch of Marks and Spencer there. It's a bigger branch. That first Marks and Spencer was from the Central Square Mall. And then when we went to SM Aura, there was another Marks and Spencer branch, and I was super happy to get this pair of shoes. And there was only one pair remaining on the display, and when I tried it on, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. And it was about 70% off, so I got it. But when I reached the counter, the cashier, they told me that there's another discount. So I only paid 1,000 pesos for the pair of flat leather shoes. And they are very comfortable. They are very comfortable. Now, because of my physical condition, I can only use flats, sandals, or shoes like this. So this is from Marks and Spencer for 1,000 pesos. Next, from Marks and Spencer, they were adjacent to each other, H&M, and you know, H&M is my go-to fashion store, fashion clothing store. Ever since I started working again in our office, I have been shopping from H&M, both in their physical store, which is near our office. There's a branch near our office, as well as online. And this time they had a lot of sale items, and I was able to score two items. And my favorite color this season is chocolate brown and burgundy. So I got, it's quite big. So my size is quite big. It's a maxi skirt with ruffles at the bottom in chocolate brown. And then this top with lace accent on the front and pin tucks. And these were all very, very cheap. I think it was 80% off as well for both items. And then lastly, we went to Cultura. So I showed many videos of the Cultura store in SM Aura, and I really enjoyed shopping there, even though it was kind of tight. The spaces were tight because they had a lot of display, and my wheelchair, I was navigating with my motorized wheelchair. So it wasn't really that comfortable for me. It wasn't really that convenient for me, but I enjoyed nevertheless. Now, here, this is my shopping bag, Kultura. Kultura in English is culture. So this store showcases the best of the Philippines, you know, like embroidery works, woven, both for fabrics and natural fibers for home decor. So first, I'm going to show you some stationeries that I got. I liked more. I wanted more of their products. Maybe I'm going to go back in the coming weeks or months. But for now, I'm going to show you this journal, or I mean, it's an organizer which I can use for my work. Look, how wonderful is that? I think that it showcases the flowers of the Philippines. And I just love the artwork. Like for example, like that one for April. So there's a flower assigned for each month. This one for March, like that. And so, yeah, this is for December. And for November, like that. So I just love this organizer here. And then another stationery. I think these are note cards with envelopes. Oh, so this features the Mayon volcano. Mayon volcano, it's a volcano popular in the Philippines. So in different shades. There's purple, and there's brown, and there's green with the envelopes. And then this one also, note cards with note cards featuring the trees in the Philippines. So the banana trees, like this one, the banana trees. And yeah, here it features everything about the banana tree. So I have that. And then I am really super happy with this one. Look at this one. So these are shawls, and they are embroidered, very soft. I think it's a combination of wool and pashmina. Very soft indeed. So this is that super beautiful shawl with embroidery. So it's textured like that with a beautiful, exquisite embroidery. Who wouldn't love this? Yes, who wouldn't love this? I only got it for 699 pesos. And then there is another color, this one here, and I think it has a different design as well. Here in navy blue. So this one is in navy blue, featuring different flowers or embroidery. Look at that, how beautiful this is, how exquisite. And there's also yellow, but I didn't get that. I think I'm going back to get the yellow out as well. So this is what I'm really excited about that I got from Cultura. And lastly, I got this napkin rings from Cultura as well. It's Casa Juan. And as I had mentioned in my previous video, that I have the dinnerware sets from Casa Juan. Oh, and I love their design. It's all Filipino themed design, and this one here is the bumblebee, I think. And what I love about this napkin rings are they are thick and substantially heavy, thick and heavy. So they are very well made. They are not lightweight and flimsy, not at all. So I really love them. They are a keeper indeed. So that's all for my the gifts that I received last Christmas, as well as my shopping haul during our BGC staycation. I trust that you had a wonderful and happy New Year with those you love, as well as your friends. So see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless.